Welcome back. Today we'll be making some soupies with salted beef, pig stale, and beef stew. So stay tuned. So in a pan we'll be adding some water and the salted meats, and we're going to allow it to boil to get rid of the salt. Once that is over, we're going to go ahead and add the red kidney beans into a pressure cooker along with the meats as well as garlic. We're allowed to pressure for roughly 30 to 45 minutes or until the peas become soft. Once that is done, we're going to transfer everything over into a saucepan, including the water. We're going to add some coconut milk, thyme, green onions, and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Now here, I am preparing the spinners. So what you'll need is 1 cup of flour and at least a teaspoon of salt, just a small amount of salt. And you're just going to get some cold water and we're going to form a dough. Now the dough is not supposed to be too hard and it's not supposed to be too soft. Just, nice and right. Now once you form your dough, just go ahead and take a piece of that dough, roll it in the palm of your hand to form a nice long and thin dumpling, pretty much. Once the water starts to boil, just when you add the spinners, then once that is added, just go ahead and allow it to simmer for roughly 30 minutes or until the sauce becomes thickened. So here you'll see that the sauce is thick and it's pretty much ready to serve. Now you can serve this with some white rice, some steamed white rice, and you're good to go. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and click the link below to see everything on the blog, all the ingredients on the blog. So thank you for watching and happy cooking. Take care.